Huntington Beach homebuyers, what if I told you you could afford a beautifully updated ground floor condo in the heart of Huntington Beach, minutes from the ocean, and with resort style amenities, plus a private enclosed patio? Let me get you inside 215 Wichita Unit 406 in the heart of Huntington Beach. As soon as you walk in, you'll notice how bright, clean, and welcoming this home feels. Freshly painted walls and ceilings, durable vinyl flooring, recessed lighting, and thoughtful upgrades throughout create a comfortable and move-in ready living environment. The built-in bookshelf with drawers adds character and functionality. The kitchen is being beautifully updated with quartz countertops, timeless shaker cabinetry, custom hardware, stainless steel appliances, a built-in microwave, and a versatile 5-burner stove. Designer touches like the nickel gap backsplash and distressed wood inspired accent wall add warmth, texture, and character while creating a truly custom feel. The living room flows directly from your own private patio, creating an extension of your living space outdoors. Whether you're enjoying your morning coffee, dining outside with friends, this patio offers a comfortable and private outdoor retreat. The spacious bedroom offers a peaceful retreat and features a decorative sliding barn door that adds style while maximizing functionality. The walk-in closet has been enhanced with custom built-in organization system that maximizes storage and helps keep everything neatly arranged. The remodeled bathroom continues the home's thoughtful design with a marble top vanity, contemporary hexagon tile flooring, and a zero-step walk-in shower featuring custom glass enclosure. The result is a space that feels both elegant and practical. A dedicated stackable washer and dryer closet adds everyday convenience, while dual pane windows help improve energy efficiency and maintain a peaceful indoor environment. Beyond the home itself, you'll enjoy resort-style amenities, including a pool, a spa, tennis courts, pickleball courts, beautifully maintained grounds, gated security entrance, water trash services paid, and professionally maintained landscaping. And of course, you're in Huntington Beach, where you're just minutes from sandy beaches, coastal dining, shopping, entertainment, and everything that makes Surf City such a desirable place to call home. If you're looking forward to Huntington Beach lifestyle and need an affordable entry position property, this is definitely the condo for you. It deserves a closer look, so please reach out to us for a private tour, or if you know somebody that's looking for a place like this, we'd love it if you shared this video. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, Robert with 7 Gables.